Save the Earth! Stop illegal mining and quarrying! Hi, ako si Sian.
At ako naman si Andrea. Welcome to our special infomercial.
Today we will be talking about something very important. Illegal mining and quarrying.
But wait, what does that even mean?
Mining is when people dig into earth to get minerals like gold, copper, and coal.
Quarry is like mining, but people get rocks, gravel, or sand.
Pero kapag ginawa ito ng walang permito hindi ayon sa batas, ito ay tinatawag na illegal mining o illegal quarrying.
At alam mo ba, saan nakasira ito sa kalikasan?
Illegal mining can cause landslides, deforestations, and even dirty waters in rivers.
That means animals and people can get sick.
Mga bata, mahalaga ang kalikasan sa ating buhay. Kapag silirin natin to, tayo maapektuhan.
Dapat nating alamin kung paano alagaan ang ating kapaligiran.
Iwasan ang magtatapon ng basura sa ilog.
At i-report kung may nakikitang illegal na pagmimina sa iyong lugar. Let's say a mining company illegally cuts 100 trees in a month.
If they keep cutting the same number every month, how many trees will be gone in a year?
100 times 12 equals 1,200 trees.
That's a forest gone. Kaya kailangan natin magbilang para makita kung gaano kalaki ang apekto.
A good person respect nature.
Mabuting bata ay may malasakit sa kapwa at kalikasan.
Huwag manahimik sa maling gawain tulad ng illegal quarrying. Be honest, brave, and responsible.
We are the Eco Kid Crusaders.